Today let's talk about what true sleep science really means and what it takes to achieve precise, scientifically tailored support for every individual. Take a look at the left image. We all know that people's body types and physiological curves vary greatly from person to person. Yet most conventional spring mattress systems on the market use the same support logic, regardless of height, weight, or build. They provide identical support. Is this scientific? Can everyone sleep comfortably on them? Clearly not. The right image shows the true precision. In scientific zoning support, the springs are designed with a high-low configuration of soft and firm curves, corresponding to the body's physiological weight distribution perfectly, conforming to your natural body contours. This precise support spring system is known as dual-layer contour pocket springs. It features a two-tied red-zoned structure. The upper comfort layer uses fine-gauge springs, while the lower support layer employs thicker gauge springs. The taller springs have more coils and longer wire length, making them softer. The shorter ones have fewer coils and shorter wire length, making them firmer in heavily weighted areas such as the hips. The thicker, softer upper springs adapt to the body's curves, allowing the mattress to deform more and provide as enveloping feel. Meanwhile, the lower shoulder springs offer enhanced support and stable base reinforcement in lighter weight areas like the feet. Taller springs reduce support intensity, enhancing softness and comfort through gentle wrapping. This layered design using coil count and the height differences creates a gradual differentiated level of support throughout the mattress, effectively maintaining the spine in a naturally straight and healthy alignment. Comparing to traditional mattress springs, whether single or multiple layer soreness, stacked together they are flat and lack of functional differentiation, providing uniform support without accounting for the body's physiological weight distribution across shoulders, waist, back, and hips. This often leads to localized muscle or lower back discomfort upon waking. In contrast, the dual-layer curved pocket spring system features a progressive soft to firm gradient that allows organs, blood circulation, and the spine to settle naturally into optimal positions, while also offering correcting benefits. Testing data from British Mattress Aberdeen shows that dual-layer curved pocket spring mattresses improve spinal pressure distribution by 65% and reduce morning muscle soreness by 58%. Further, sleep monitoring data from British Mattress Stance reveals that this mattress design, which uses the ergonomic zoning to provide varying firmness levels for the head, neck, shoulders, waist, hips, and legs, extends deep sleep duration by 42 minutes per night and reduces turning over frequencies by 37%. Whether for individuals with spinal conditions or fitness enthusiasts, it offers personalized support tailored to individual needs. No conventional mattress structure, no matter how advanced or expensive, can achieve such a smooth, zoned, progressively supported curve. As a result, dual-layer curved pocket spring mattresses have gained strong popularity throughout Europe. The precision support we refer to is a personalized, one-to-one customized support tailored to each individual. LianRou's curved zonal technology is designed according to the individual. The deep sleep system collects data by pressure sensors automatically, generating personalized curve zoning data based on body weight distribution. This data is then sent to a designated factory, enabling the production of a scientifically precise, zonally segmented mattress perfectly matched to an individual's physiological sleep needs. Could this highly personalized custom mattress be very expensive? Actually, the cost is reduced instead. The dual-layer curved pocket spring design offers customized zonal support, which is more scientifically effective and comfortable than adding various costly comfort layers. As a result, the dual-layer curved pocket springs actually simplify large-scale manufacturing for factories requiring only a single standard comfort layer to produce a mattress that rivals luxury models in quality at a more affordable price. A mattress isn't about price, but about suitability. In the near future, when we talk to customers about whether a mattress is comfortable, it won't be limited to subjective responses like, it's okay. Instead, we'll rely on objective data, quantified, visible, and scientifically proven, tailored to individual differences. Dual-layer curved pocket springs deliver truly scientific sleep.